To disassemble a P380 Davis. Big tool, little button right here. Push the button in, be careful for the thing, and kind of pry it up with the tool, right, to separate it. Be careful because the spring will shoot the cap of this piece across the room. Pull your spring out, pull the top part out, big spring here, then firing pin, and you have disassembled your Davis P380 Gangnam style. Reassemble your Davis P380. Take the big spring, put it over the barrel, and take your slide and position the spring with the slide. Like that. Got it back like this. But at this point, you actually want to take it, the slide, and lift it from the frame of the gun, and leave it about a 1/4 inch. Drop in your firing pin. Drop in the spring, and then the same button that you used earlier, drop that back in. Okay, now that it's all in there, just take your tool, push the button down,